Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Right-click any empty taskbar space to open the context menu and choose Taskbar Settings. This takes you directly to the controls that manage icons, no extra apps required. Once done, look for the Notification Area section. That's where Windows hides the overflow icons. Make sure your display scaling isn't extreme because very large scaling can push icons into the overflow. Now, keep that settings window open and move to the next step to reveal hidden icons. In Notification Area, click Select which icons appear on the taskbar to see a list of apps and system icons. Toggle each app to on if you want it permanently visible. Toggling off sends it to the hidden overflow. If you prefer everything visible, switch the master control Always Show All Icons in the Notification Area to on. This flattens the overflow and keeps icons in view. Make changes slowly and observe the taskbar, because some apps refresh their icon only after a moment. Once you've set visibility, close Settings and inspect the lower right corner. The small arrow shows hidden icons. Expanded view should reflect your choices. If an icon won't appear as expected, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it to refresh the taskbar. If restarting Explorer doesn't help, update or reinstall the app that supplies the icon, because corrupted app installs often prevent proper notification icons. Finally, reboot as a last resort. That clears lingering state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.